super slick on the highway. I can only do about 45 in a 60 mile an hour zone. So hopefully the snow will get packed down and get a little better traction. And it's got like, I think it had like freezing rain and then now snow on top of it. Hopefully the snow packs down. But anyhow, just take her slow. You'll be alright. When in doubt, squeal it out. Well, I'll catch you guys when we get up here. Wonder if there's anyone up here. And it's been snowing, so it could have covered up tracks, but it doesn't. I don't know. There might be some people in here. We'll see. See when we get up the hill. How's it going, everyone? It's dumping snow today. Got this log drug out. Gonna get buzzing it up. Got a butt piece right there. So, man, there was a kid that come in right when I was leaving yesterday. He cut up that rest of that butt log I had down there, which is fine, you know. That doesn't bother me, but he left the road a mess. That pisses me off. At least clean up after yourself, man. But anyhow, I'm gonna get saws warming up and get this log marked out and start cutting. It's a pretty good log. I think I have enough here to get loaded. If not, there's a block here and then a few other pieces down lower from them other guys. So this is where they were cutting. They ain't gonna be back, and they said I could take this log, so they have another one up here on the bank. But anyhow, I'm gonna get cutting it up and go from there. So my thoughts on that 810 chain. Those of you who have been following, it's all right for what it is. Will I buy any more? No, I won't. It does seem to dull faster. It's a pain to sharpen. It seems like it's really soft and it clogs the file quite a bit. So steel chain is by far my favorite and will be for the end of time, for that matter. So anyway, my recommendation, if you want longevity and good quality, don't buy the 810. Buy Steel, Oregon, or Husky. Questions about my marking stick. It's 15 3/4 inches. I go 1/4 inch short because by the time you get back to the end of the bed, it always seems like you're a little bit long. And so yeah, 15 3/4 is what I cut it. And then the width of the chalk and stuff, it comes out to about 16. Well, I'll bring you guys back in a bit. So one question I get asked a lot is, how do I select a tree to fall? Well, in the area I cut in 2015, there was a bad wildfire. Burnt up a lot of this timber. So you're seeing me cut a lot of burnt firewood trees. Well, when that fire come through, it killed all this timber. And usually it takes 3, maybe 4 years for a fir or a tamarack or larch, if you will, to dry while it's standing once it's fully dead. And so I'll go around, and like this tree right here is a fir tree back in there, and it's completely dead, no needles. The one right up here is a green larch. It's got yellow needles because they change color in the fall. This one's dropped all of its needles right here, but it's still green. So typically larch or tamarack, when it's good and dead and dry, it will lose most of its limbs, and the bark will start peeling, and you'll see a big old crack going up it. Here's this black one here is a fir tree. That one's been dead since the fire. That one's good. This one right back in here is a fir tree, and it's good too. Oh, I hear trucks coming. So anyhow, I might get to splitting. Someone asked what axe I was using yesterday. I was using, I think, both the 28-inch and the 36-inch Fiskars. truck backed up. Throw some more on. I just cut up there and left about 10-12 feet of that butt. See how much I got on the truck before I finish cutting that up. If it don't take it all, just roll it out of the way. But yeah, you can see they left the road a mess again. Anyhow, I'm gonna get backed up. Sure is coming down today, holy smokes. I had to shed a layer though, get a little warm. Well, I'll back up and throw more on. Back up this time, and I'll throw a bunch on, as much as I can hold before it starts rolling off, and then stack it and then back up and do the same thing. I'll leave this axe down here. That way I don't lose it. Well, I'm gonna get this stacked. Well, we are loaded, ladies and gentlemen. Got a nice load of fur on there. Dang nice load. I'll let the old Ford warm up while I'm putting on the rest of the saw gear and spare tire and stuff, but just about, I had one row left and truck come flying around the corner, and his brother Rich, he's headed up the hill here. My little brother Eddie and Richie's nephew got a couple elk down, so they're going to get them out. If I didn't have all my saw gear and stuff, I would have jumped in with them and run give them a hand, but I gotta go get this wood delivered and go get kids from school. But man, it is dumping snow. Yeah, it took me a little while to get up here today. I got up here a couple hours late. I sat around, had to run to the credit union to get a money order so I could go and purchase some more resale permits. Well, I sat there for an hour because their systems were down, and I sat another half hour waiting to get into buy my resale permit. So anyhow, made it up here, got a quick load, didn't have to do any falling, just drag that tray out. They said they wasn't coming back and said go for it. So and that's how it is, if I got trees down and I know I ain't gonna make it back, I see someone cutting in this area, I'll be like, hey, go grab those trees while they're down. It takes me a minute to fall a tree. I don't lay claim to any of this timber, and neither should anyone else. It's all of ours. This is my third hoodie today, and it's already soaked. But let the truck get good and warm inside. I think I got one more hoodie behind the seat. I always try to carry 2 or 3 extras, just for days like this. But anyhow, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Wish you good health and happiness. Love you guys with all my heart. I really do. I appreciate each and every one of you. And yeah, I'm gonna get loaded and get the heck out of here. Go home, and then I'll message Rich here in a bit and see if they made it out. if they don't catch up to me. They ain't too far up the road, I guess. So anyhow, love you guys. It's enough rambling. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. That was a close one. Gotta pay attention, I guess. In a hurry to get out of here. Dang, there, took out the back window. You guys almost jinxed me. Anyway, I'll get the saws put away. Well, that's a driveway I need to go in. Propane truck. Should I hook onto them with a Hulk and pull them both out? Just kidding. Well, it looks like I'll be sitting here for a while. I'll have to have Kelsey's mother pick up the kids from school because I ain't gonna make it. Right over there's my delivery at that shop. There's no other road in there either. This road was super narrow. I thought someone might go off it there yesterday. Well, just got unloaded. See if I can make it out of here. See my tracks right there. I had to plow through their snow berm, come through all that sagebrush. Well, let's see if we can make it back out. Don't have that weight on. When in doubt, squeal her out. Made it through that berm. Well, these boys are gonna have a long night. They gotta wait an hour. Well, 2 hours for another tow truck to get here. Oh, Holt does pretty good. Glad I had that weight on to break trail. I'll bring it back when I make it on the road. Well, we made it to pavement. I'm gonna leave these hubs in though, man. It's super slick. Anyhow, thank you folks for watching. Greatly appreciate it. Time to go home. Over and out. Wish you good health and happiness.